Did you know a union boss once ordered the murder of an entire family to win an election? In 1969, Tony Boyle was facing the biggest threat to his power as president of the United Mine Workers Union. His rival, Jock Yablonsky, was gaining support and promising to clean up corruption, so Boyle made a chilling decision: eliminate the competition permanently. He used union money to hire professional killers and had them watch the Yablonsky family for weeks. On New Year's Eve, the assassins broke into their Pennsylvania farmhouse and executed Jock, his wife, and their daughter in cold blood. Boyle thought he had committed the perfect crime, but the FBI investigation uncovered a trail of union funds leading straight back to Boyle. They found evidence he had used union resources to coordinate every detail of the hit. He even tried to frame other union officials to cover his tracks. The case shocked America and exposed massive corruption in organized labor. Boyle was convicted of triple murder and sentenced to life in prison for killing a Democratic rival and his innocent family.